look like my peep at myself. Wait. The workout did nice, man. The workout did nice. You know you are a gym head when you're like, workout did sweet, workout did nice, but the workout did nice, man. I'm not telling you, like, workout did nice. While I was working out, I was like, you know, becoming ever familiar with the machine and what I'm out. And in my head, I was like, I could just stick to leg day at my gym I'm used to. Because, you know, I'm used to the machines, I'm used to everything. And then after a while, I found this little corner. And I realized that they have like things for do the hip thrust, for do the Romanian deadlift, some for do my Bulgarian split squats and stuff. So I was like, okay, I'll come do leg day there on Saturdays, but this is my corner. Just staying at a corner here and do my leg day. But yeah, I'm glad I went. It's something different. It's outside of my comfort zone because me somebody will stick to what I know. Okay? Me not switch up, me not change, me not